Be it any job or profession, there comes a point wherein you start feeling monotonous about the nature of your job. And that is the point when you start feeling, that there is nothing new about my job, and there is so much less scope for me to bring in the innovative aspect in this job. And just like any other job, homemaking as a job also can be monotonous at times. And it is at that time that we need to really acknowledge that we are feeling like this about our own job, and we need to acknowledge the mental attitude that we are cultivating towards this job of ours. And it's very important that we try to create some interest or bring in some innovative thoughts, and try and implement new ideas in the routine so that we make it more interesting. It's very important that we don't let it be the way it is, or we should not be okay with the feeling that okay, it is monotonous, so what, let's just drag ourselves into the routine and just finish the task. No, that kind of attitude really will not do good to us. And as homemakers, we are like the foundation of our homes. And the kind of attitude that we carry, it's so contagious that other people get affected by our attitude and our perceptions as a whole. So it becomes very important as to how we think about our own job, and how we spread happiness by staying happy ourselves first. So, in this video, I will be exploring the ways in which we can make our mundane more beautiful, and try not make it monotonous. As much as possible, we need to make it interesting. I'm not saying that we are like machines who are programmed to be, joyful and all the time jumping with interest and enthusiasm. No, it's not possible. It's humanly not possible, because there are times and there are days when you feel so low, you feel a little less energetic, you're not able to really focus on the things that you need to do. There can be such days, and yes, we need not shy away from the fact that we face such days. And it's not just in homemaking, it can be in others job too, that we feel low. And it's okay to acknowledge all those things, but the point is, we should not give ourselves too much scope to stay in that kind of mental attitude. Instead, we should come out of it and try and make our routine more interesting, because as I said, our attitude is kind of contagious. So the level at which we vibe, or the level at which we have have our energies, that can be affecting the rest of us in the family. So it becomes very important that we, as homemakers, try and remain enthusiastic as much as possible. So in this video, let's see the ways in which we can make our routine more interesting and more innovative, and of course beautiful. I am Vaishnavi, and my channel is all about homemaking motivation. If you're new to this channel, then please subscribe. And if you're already a part of this beautiful community of homemakers, then please welcome back. So without any further ado, let's start today's video.
Homemakers can make their daily routines more interesting by trying out new activities, picking up a new hobby, organizing their tasks in a creative way, or simply changing their perspective and finding joy in the small things. They can also try to connect with others and engage in social activities, join local clubs, or volunteer in their community. Additionally, setting personal goals and challenges such as learning a new skill or recipe can provide a sense of accomplishment and make the daily routine more fulfilling. Ways of making the mundane beautiful for homemakers. Let's explore. Homemakers can make their mundane tasks beautiful by incorporating elements of self-expression and creativity into them. Let's see what are these ideas. Decorating the living space with personal touches such as photographs, artwork, and plants. It is not necessary to spend a lot of money every now and then to go for shopping and change the decor. Instead, home shopping is more interesting. Try and shift the art pieces and decor items from one space to another. It will give a whole new look to those spaces every time you do so. Creating a visually appealing and organized spaces. Our homes are an extension of our energies. So, it is very important for us to keep it organized and, of course, visually pleasing. It's a good thing to practice the phrase everything in place and a place for everything in practicality. Using music, podcasts, or audiobooks to add a sensory element to their daily routine. I highly recommend taking music as your refuge whenever you feel your task is too demanding or if it seems monotonous to you. Music or listening to podcasts make us forget we are tackling our to-do list, and instead we end up enjoying finishing them in no time. Incorporating aromatherapy or scented candles into their routine to create a relaxing atmosphere. Whenever our senses are stimulated in the right manner, it enhances our mood and energies. So using essential oils is a good idea to soothe your mood and pamper yourself in a home spa every now and then after a hectic day of work. Cooking and meal prepping with ingredients that not only nourish the body but also appeal the senses, such as colorful fruits and vegetables. This is truly the art of making your mundane beautiful. Using the ingredients which otherwise seem so ordinary in a more interesting way will recharge your mood. Try it. Taking breaks throughout the day to stretch, meditate, or simply enjoy a cup of tea. We are not machines and we can't be programmed to work all day long. So, finishing our tasks mindfully and taking out time for ourselves is very important. Turning household chores into a mindful and meditative practice, such as sweeping or folding laundry mindfully. Even the cleaning of the sink in the kitchen can prove to be therapeutic. You can try that. Homemaking, when turns out to be a meditative process for us, then nothing seems monotonous or boring. By approaching their routine with a creative and mindful attitude, homemakers can turn even the most mundane tasks into beautiful moments. We should just be conscious enough to actually practice all these things and just see the magic happen. Thank you for watching the video today. I hope you liked it. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. And yes, I really hope that you liked today's content. I would highly appreciate if you could leave your feedback in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Until next time, happy homemaking and keep smiling. And yes, make your mundane beautiful.